Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre for an update of your Sunday night's forecast. Now, we expected thunder showers to develop over the northern parts of South Africa in the afternoon, and that's exactly what happened, although a couple of unexpected thunder showers popped up over Gauteng, including around Johannesburg and Pretoria. Now, those thunder showers are still likely to continue into the early evening, but later on those storms will start to dissipate. And we can see this on our futurecast. There we see the precipitation, but later on things gradually start to clear up across the region, although we could still have a few drops later this evening into Limpopo. Mainly dry for the rest of South Africa and quite clear, although we are still expecting fog to develop along the coastline of the Western Cape overnight. Look ahead to Monday now, and it's going to be partly cloudy with a couple of thunder showers over some parts of Limpopo in the afternoon. Otherwise, a partly cloudy day with no rain for the northwest and into the Northern Cape, and very little cloud cover expected for the east coast. The Eastern Cape will see quite a bit of warming. Temperatures will even rise into the 30s for some parts of the province on your Monday afternoon. Now for tonight, we're still expecting those very isolated thunder showers up in the northern parts of the country, mainly over Limpopo and into some areas of Gauteng and the northwest, as well as the extreme northern parts of Mpumalanga. The coastline of South Africa, as well as the central, western and southern interior, will remain dry for your Sunday night. Pretoria, on the other hand, will see a possibility for a few thunder showers into the early evening. An overnight low of 14 degrees has been forecast, and tomorrow will be warm with a high of 27, a little bit of cloud cover developing, but we are expecting a dry start to the work week. Now for the wind stream animation, which is indicating very calm conditions over much of South Africa overnight, but we're still expecting a light westerly to southwesterly wind for the peninsula around Langebaan and around the Cape Agulhas area. This will help to push in the moisture, which may result in that overnight fog. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll see wind speeds picking up over the Karoo. Those will pick up to about 25 kilometers per hour in some areas. Now for the minimum temperatures, and it's going to be a mild night along the south coast. Average minimum of about 15 degrees over that area. Warmer along the east coast, 18 for Durban and Richards Bay, but typically cool through the central parts, especially for the Free State, where many areas will drop below 10. Tomorrow afternoon, on the other hand, we'll see quite a bit of warming over South Africa. Another lovely day expected for much of the country. Hot for the Eastern Cape interior, 32 degrees for Graaf-Reinet and Beshu. Similar for Uppington and Vredendal in the far western parts. And we're also expecting quite a hot day in KZN. 30 as a high for Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay. A look ahead even further now to Tuesday, when much cooler air will push in over southern South Africa, bringing cloud cover as well as a possibility of rain. And on Wednesday, wet weather spreads up the east coast, perhaps even towards Mbombela, but it's going to be dry and warm for Johannesburg with a high of 25.